Okay then.
Well, yeah. So you got what the? I don't care.
Give me out.
Purple guy. Of course, purple guy is inside the springtime. I ship this.
Whoa, what just happened? Okay. You know what?
I say gay words like style.
Okay.
It's so perfect.
What's it?
It's Minecraft. I'm recording.
What's that? Who are those people? Your family?
Those are not people. First of all, they're cats.
They're your family. Your family's a
Oh,
cat
no.
family.
That is
Yes, true. True.
Your family's a cat
I like
family.
this black one right here.
Oh, I love that one.
That's your father.
And then the one there's over there.
That's your mother.
Another one that I like.
That's your family of cats.
Yes, they're my family of cats.
Yay, I don't
When someone's at school and they're playing Minecraft recording.
They must be like, what is this trying?
That looks really wrong but cool at the same time.
Alright,
Where'd you go?
Isaiah's not on task.
About-
Isaiah, have you done the warm-up? Angie, working on the warm-up? Good. Emily has written nothing on the warm-up. Aileen, nothing. Jael, maybe getting started because he got his notebook now. Camila's working, maybe. Kyler hasn't done nothing. Brandon hasn't done nothing. Liz hasn't done nothing. Matt is doing it on his whiteboard. Kyler's saying that not having a pencil has stopped him from doing the warm-up. Noah has written something on the whiteboard. Kyler or Zylan, make sure you're using the right number, dude. You keep doing that. Zylan? That's not the number you wrote.
194? Oh.
See? Good, Isaiah. Good. Good.
People make mistakes.
Good, Maria.
It's like this? It's like this? Equals.
No?
Yeah, you can use calculator if it shows the calculator.
Where's your other phone?
Yeah, by the way, my brothers were watching.
48.5. Yes, I know that.
Because they are.
Yes, I know. I can't be nice.
You get this first so you can look at it. But it's the Spanish one, so it's the
This is hard.
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
0. Noah Purrier, what do you think about this problem? What did you do?
I did 94 divided by 4.
He did 94 divided by 4. Are you sure you're saying those numbers right, kid?
But I didn't finish yet.
Why is he putting a 1?
Sorry, I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off.
That's why he actually asked.
Found what I was looking for. Okay, beautiful. I have everything I need. Noah, you said do some division. Raise your hand if you did some division. Looked like most people, that's what they were doing. So you need to divide up the distance that they went by the amount of time it took in order to figure out how far they go in 1 hour. How far do they go in 1 hour?
48 hours and 45 minutes.
Good. Continue. 48 miles. Good. In 1 hour. And what do we call that? Anybody remember what we call that? This is called a rate. It is a rate because we're comparing the amount of miles we go in a certain amount of time. So it's two different units. Does anybody remember what we call this when it's compared to 1? It's a unit rate. So we just found out this bus's unit rate. If we know how far they can go in 1 hour, then we can figure out any amount of time, right? So how far do they go? One more time? 48.5. Guys, I would be clicking on the calculator. If the calculator function is available, look up here. Look, every single one of these is going to take S back. If there is a calculator right here, you can use a calculator. If there's no calculator, you're not allowed to use one. So 194 divided by 4 equals 48.5. That's what most people got. 48.5 next. Okay, that's how it would work. Okay, on your whiteboards, we're gonna do something like we did with bingo yesterday, okay? Or not yesterday, Monday. So listen up. I am going to read a phrase. Brandon, what did I just say? I'm gonna read a phrase out loud. What do you think your job is gonna be? You're gonna listen to the phrase, but thank you, Christian. What was it? Try to write an algebraic expression from that phrase. You need to agree with your group on what goes on the whiteboard. So, I will read the phrase. I will give you 1 minute to write a algebraic expression. And then we're going to ask for boards up. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Z times 5. Z like zebra times 5. Write an algebraic expression for that phrase. Z times 5. Good. I see a lot of confused faces. That means we have an opportunity to learn. You have 1 minute to figure out what to write on the board. Go. Z times 5. Can you write it any other ways? If you can write it one way, there must be another way to write it. Doesn't matter. Write a problem that is Z times 5. Dre doesn't know what Z is. Do any of you guys know what Z is? No, that's not the point, Dre. There's a letter in the problem. It's algebra, yes. Look at what these guys have. Does that say Z times 5? Yes, it does. Get rid of that equal sign. It's not an equation, it's an expression. This is totally fine. Can you write that any other way? You don't need to change the Z to anything. That's another way to write it. Yeah, that's a way to write it. Totally. She's got times 5. That's something. Z times 5. Good. Good. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now I need you to take this to Miss P. She wants to make 10 copies of this. And yeah, I'll take that. Okay, boards up. Let me see. Boards up. Let me see. Boards up. Okay. Mr. Wyatt wrote Z times 5. Looks like one group came up with the dot. That's another way to write multiplication. Every group I see, really quick. Exit, yes, exit, hurry up. Where's my exit? Back, exit. Come on, click the dang thing. Now where's the... Okay, we're in business. Guys, there are other ways to write multiplication. This is something I need you to get through your head. Shh, stop talking. Okay, everybody wrote Z times 5 for the most part. Some people wrote this. Other people switched it around. Do you guys know what I mean by switching it around? Yeah, they just switched the order of the numbers. One group remember that parentheses represents multiplication. You guys, all of these are right, okay? Listen, this is an algebraic expression. We don't need to know what z is. Listen to me. The goal is not to find an answer. The goal is to write a problem. Christian, go ahead.
You can use my
Yeah? Not multiply, combine. That's a 7th grade problem. That's what they're learning right now. They're learning how to combine like terms. So they would add those all up because they're all positive values. Guys, Christian makes a good point though. Look at this. I'm going to erase now. What were you going to say? 5 times. What were you going to say? 5x. We need to make that jump from thinking this is a time symbol all of the time. It is not a time symbol anymore. Dre, what is this? It is not a time symbol. What is something? And x could be any number. 46, 37, negative 43, anything. Yeah. So, I don't want you to think about the big long problem, Christian. What I'm saying is, yeah, you would, but you don't know what x is, so you can write it like this. So, these are acceptable, folks, but what you're going to see a lot of is this. 5x, 5 times something. In our problem that I just read out loud, what is the something? What is representing the something? Z. We don't know what z is. You guys were just asked to write a problem. So another way to write this would be 5z. This is z times 5. So take a look. Look up here. This is a very important understanding that you guys need to get through your head. You do not read this as 5 times. Ever again. This is 5 times something. It's almost like there is a little multiplication symbol there. It's almost like the same thing as these, but read like this. Okay? Let's try a different one. Let's do z times 8. Z times 8. Go. 1 minute. I want you to see if you could take what we just wrote right here and put it on your board. Z times 8.
I'm really curious what it is.
Z times 8. Let's go. What do I want you to write? It's not ZX5. It's not ZX8. How do you write 8 times Z or Z times 8? Turn it around. Turn it around. Look at this.
write all of them.
If this is 5 times X, how could you write
There's
Z
literally
times
a
8?
lot of ways to do it. And those two are not the right way. This time.
Nothing. Just standing.
And those two are-
Man, I'm just worried you guys aren't even listening to me and you're gonna act like you don't
I'm sorry,
understand it 5
you
times.
said 8?
At least 3 out of 4 of you. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Board's up. Let me see what you got. All right, Jael, you're in business. You wrote the same thing twice, or no, you didn't. Sorry. One's got the dot, one has no dot, one has parentheses. Good. Christian, hold up your board. Nice and proud for everybody. Wyatt, Sam, hold up your board. Tanya, hold up your board. This is what I'm looking for. You represent multiplication by writing the number and the variable right next to each other. So if you want to write 8 times z, that is the perfect way to write it. You can also use parentheses. Usually the variable does not go first, you guys. The variable goes second. You can also have written it like this, 8 times z. Some of you might have written this still. That's okay, but it's confusing when you start talking about letters. Because we're using this as a time symbol when you write it like this. It's confusing when we start talking about variables. Okay, next phrase. Here you go. 6 plus n. 6 plus n. Write an algebraic expression from that phrase. 6 plus n. 6 plus n. What does that look like? 6 plus n. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boards up. 6 plus n. Doesn't matter. Okay, Jael, perfect. Christian's table, perfect. Wyatt's table. This is 6 plus n. This is what? That is 6 times n. Very good. So 6 plus n is what we're looking for. Straightforward, right? All right, I'm going to give you a really hard one. See if you can see what you guys come up with. 2 times m. 2 times m increased by 3. 2 times m increased by 3. 2 times m. M as in mommy. Increased by 3. 2 times m. M. Mommy. Increased by 3. Sure, how about this? You guys pick the letter. I don't care what the dang letter is. 2 times something increased by 3. How do you write that? Increased by 3, to me, that means 2 times m times 3. Because the 3 is right next to the m, that means multiplication.